Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. I don't know why I always film videos in the middle of the night, but everyone in my house is asleep, so I need to be quiet. I'm not very good at being quiet. I also can't see what I'm doing. Where's the edge? Ah, yes, there it is. I feel no pain. Now this side. The hard part is done. Now we just gotta take the lashes off. And now the rest of this beauty has got to go. As I was taking this off, I realized there's still latex on my chin. Ah, how did I not notice it earlier? But no, there's more. I think that was the last part. Is my makeup off? I can't see. Someone help. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? I can't talk with his teeth on, but yes, it is time to take this off again. This look was all improv, and honestly, I'm really happy with how it turned out. I took the teeth out so I can talk now, but let's move on to these little parts. Whew, okay. Oh, not bad. I got so scared over nothing. Now this one. I can't tell if my skin is numb at this point or if that genuinely didn't hurt. Contacts are out, and I can still see. That's a good sign. Now the rest of this beauty has got to go. This is just a little bit painful. Oh boy. Let's see if we can get a satisfying stripe. Oh, okay. I don't know why I'm so amused by this. I took a shower and I am all clean now. And of course, you guys have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. You already know. I wasn't sure how this look was gonna turn out, but honestly, I'm pretty happy with it. Let's start with the subscribe button. Nice. Now we gotta take this monstrosity off. Ow! Just kidding, I feel no pain. I'm pretty sure that one ripped out my hair a little bit, but it's okay. Gotta take the lash off too. I literally just washed my hair, so I was trying so hard to not get blood in it. But now we just gotta take off the rest of the makeup. I mean, it's not even that scary. This is kind of a nice ombre. Okay, wait, this is the most satisfying part. And then this side. And I am all clean now, and you guys have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little streaks? See what I did there? Cause it sounds similar to freaks, but it's straight. Never mind. But you already know it is time to take this off again. Whenever I make signs like these, I always have to write it backwards because TikTok mirrors everything. And writing backwards isn't easy. But now that that's done, let's just, continue taking things off. All right, time for you to go leave my face. Now this one. I really like the third eye, but I need to take it off too. It's literally almost identical to my actual eye color. It's so weird. I'm not even gonna try to take this off. I'm just gonna go shower and I'll be right back. I have showered and I am now clean, and you guys have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? I can't talk with his teeth on, but yes, it is time to take this off again. This look was all improv, and honestly, I'm really happy with how it turned out. I took the teeth out so I can talk now, but let's move on to these little parts. Whew, okay. Oh, not bad. I got so scared over nothing. Now this one. I can't tell if my skin is numb at this point or if that genuinely didn't hurt. Contacts are out, and I can still see. That's a good sign. Now the rest of this beauty has got... Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. Honestly, I'm really tired, and I only want to cry, a little bit. It's nice, right? It's nice. Sadly, though, all I can keep is pictures, and I can't have this on my face. I love this illusion, though, because it only works from the side, and when you look straight up, it don't add up. Okay, but also I thought it would be a good time to test these little makeup remover cloths that Santa brought me. I just put water on this one, so let's see if it works. Wait. I swear there's no makeup remover on it. Let's see if it works on waterproof eyeliner. I can't. This is witchcraft. I don't believe it. So I was gonna be like, yay, I took my makeup off, but no, because I forgot the ear. I cannot tell you how many times I've gone to work with paint in my ear because I always forget about the ear. But now I am all clean, and you guys have an...
Okay, part 2. Okay, so like I said, I walk in and this bitch is getting her shit rocked. Like, there were like 5 girls in there beating the shit out of her. All of them just look at me, so I walk out and go back to the classroom. And the one girl went to the hospital and the other girl got suspended. So back to present day. So after school that day, I get a ride with him and his friends to his house. Well, as we're all driving to his house, we realize that his ex-girlfriend's car is right behind us. And it's literally her and all of her friends. And at this point, my boyfriend's really fed up with her shit. Because she keeps following me around school, texting me saying she's gonna kill me, saying he got her pregnant, always says that he's been cheating on me with her. So my boyfriend pulls over the car, and at this point, I think it's a trap. I'm like, oh shit, he's gonna let me get beat the fuck up. Well, he tells me to stay in the car. He gets out and walks over to her driver's door and tells her to get out of the car. So her and all her friends get out, and one of her friends starts punching him. While he's distracted with that, his ex runs over to the car, opens the door, and pulls out a fucking knife. Like for part 3.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? 'Tis time to take this off again. Contacts are off, and I can see. Honestly, though, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. But these horns are so big and heavy that it took so much to glue them onto my face. But that's not important. Let's take them off. Nice. Ooh. Takes so much time to put it on and so little time to take this off. Actually, just kidding. This is probably gonna take like 3 hours for me to wash off. Okay, it's coming off. That's good. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna go shower. I feel so much better now. Have a great day, you guys. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, the lighting's really bright. Hello? But yes, it is time to take this off again. Originally, this look was supposed to be like a scary side and a pretty side, but slowly it turned into like heat miser and snow miser, and I don't know how that happened. I better not see any comments about it or I will cry. But now it's time to start learning how to speak Valeria, yes. Contacts. Now that I can actually see myself, it doesn't look that bad. I'm just always so hard on myself for no reason. Anyways, I put thread in my hair to like expand the thread. I once again feel like a shoe. A really pretty shoe. Ow. Let's get this over with. Oh no. The gemstones just flew everywhere. Let's do that again. Oh, they just fell. I know you guys need your nightmare fuel. And I forgot to film the last part, but I'm not clean, but I have a different makeup on now. Yo, I don't want to take this off. What do I do in this situation? Like, I need to take it off. I took pictures of it. Like, ripping that eyelash off. Literally, pain. It's 11 p.m. and I should start getting ready for bed, but I don't wanna. I wanna have this on. I'm not gonna sleep all night. So I thought I would share the pain on TikTok, because that's what TikTok has been for me. So let's do it. I can't. It's okay, we got this. Okay, there we go. I'm fine. I am so tempted right now to just redraw the part that I erased, but self-control. Let's do this part right here. Yes, like nothing ever happened. I did not spend 3 hours on this. No, I didn't. Nothing happened. I had no makeup on. Now I understand the people who like to draw on canvases other than faces, because then they don't have to take it off. It just stays. I'm sad. I'm gonna go eat or something. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. I haven't done anything with liquid latex in so long. Or it feels like it's been so long. Gotta pluck my feathers, if you know what I mean. I really just have this giant beak on my face. Oh, not anymore. Oh, the liquid latex is still there. No. Just kidding, that was a test. You know, I didn't feel anything. Took me so long to draw, but oh well, bye-bye. Nightmare fuel. I'm covered in paint, so I'm gonna go take a shower. I'll be right back. I took a shower, and I am all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. Oh my god, I'm overheating. I'm gonna learn from my mistakes and take my contacts out first so I can see. Oop, there we go. Oh, scary teeth. Now the feathers. I already know this one's gonna hurt. Ah, that's my skin. Okay, we're making progress. Now we gotta repeat that same thing on the other side. Looking at the good sides, my neck is really smooth now. And now it's just the easy part left. Almost forgot the lashes. Oh boy. I just look delightful. There's way too much hair gel in my hair, so I'm gonna go shower. I took a shower and I'm all clean now. And you guys have an amazing day.
I can't take it off. I can't take it off. Like, take it off. I can't. Take it off. I can't take it off. Like,